So welcome back to our channel, guys, and this is a very special vlog. It's Arlene's birthday in a week's time, and the thing is, I have certain things planned for her. I'm gonna be cooking a favorite meal, as well as you must have seen her previous vlogs. She loves doing those DIY projects, so I thought, why don't I try doing something like that for her? I mean, it would be easier to just go to the mall and get something for her, but I thought, why don't I invest my time? And nothing fancy, nothing big, just a small DIY gift. I'm sure she's gonna love it. So I'm gonna be taking you through the process as and when. I won't be doing everything in a day, since there's like 7 days for her birthday. So I'm gonna be doing the DIY gradually. The cooking session is going to be on a Thursday because she has to go to work, so she can't skip work on Thursday. Alright guys, so here you can see there are some colorful papers here, and I'm going to be doing something crafty with it. Show you a glimpse of it like as and when I'm getting it done. And guys, I'm already done cutting a heart out of it, out of one paper. I'm going to be using as a stencil for all the other papers. I'm going to be cutting shapes out of it. We have the hearts already here. And guys, the DIY is now ready. Where like I need both hands to actually show you how it flips up, but I think it's better when Arlene does it, so let's wait till. Alright guys, so as I said, like I'm gonna be cooking a favorite meal. So one is butter chicken and the other one is chicken lollipop. So I'm gonna be marinating the chicken first, and I'm gonna be cutting them into the shape of a lollipop. And as you all know, chicken tastes better when it's marinated 8 to 10 hours before. So I'm gonna be marinating everything and keeping it ready and preparing the dishes the next day. And we have recipes for the butter chicken and the lollipop. I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description box below. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients I'm gonna be using for the butter chicken gravy. I've kept everything ready, so I'm just going to start right now. And we're done guys with the butter chicken. Some garnishing. The lollipops are getting fried. Hi guys, it's Ali's birthday today, and she has baked a cake for her own self. So I mean, she's good at baking cake, so I thought, okay fine, might as well you bake your own cake. And she's ready now to cut the cake, so let's get it, shall we? And there's the birthday girl.
Hi guys.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
And
so what's the surprise?
And this is the birthday cake that she has baked. Isn't it wonderful, guys? She wanted to bake it herself, so I like, okay fine, if I bake the cake it'll be a disaster, so might as well let her bake her own cake. And there's some there's something for you I made, DIY thing like you liked, so happy birthday, baby.
Thank you. So this is the DIY thing he has made.
Not read it, and there's this scroll type. You need to hold this, hold it over here.
Yeah.
Hold it over here. Yeah, and pull this upward, downwards. Slowly.
Wow, this is really good, guys. So let's read it out, guys. Happy birthday to the prettiest, the best, my lovely wife. You are the angel who has guided me through the life maze and cherished gift from God. You are not just my wife, but my greatest friend ever. Happy birthday, my love. Baby, nothing makes a day like a smile from you. So I like the idea, the way he has put it in, different hearts, and you can see the efforts, guys, and this is really what matters to me. Basically, at the start of our relationship only, we have been very particular because we decided not to do any kind of material things for each other, and we decided that we'll only make efforts, and that would be our greatest gift in any kind of occasion we celebrate, and that's what even we are practicing till date. And I really love this, because that goes to show how much the person really loves you and the efforts they make, to make you happy. And for me, it's not material things, it's only what you're going to do for me and stand by me, and that's what matters to me. So I'm really happy. And well, also the best part about him, he actually prepared my favorite things as chicken lollipop and butter chicken. Everybody in my family knows that these two things are like, you know, I love them most, and every birthday it's incomplete without you know, having butter chicken and lollipop as my you know,
Birthday meal, you can say.
as my birthday meal. In fact, to the extent that I had gone to, you know, even keep butter chicken in our wedding menu. So I told Alston, like, if butter chicken is not there, I'm not coming, you know, because I was very adamant, like I wanted butter chicken for my birthday also. And these, you know, these are the things that he, at least he tried and attempted to, you know, make this butter chicken for me, which was really amazing, and the chicken lollipops as well. And I really thank him, because he has to do that for the rest of his life. The best butter chicken and the best chicken lollipop.
So let's get to the cake cutting session, shall we?
So when I prepared this cake, Aston was literally like, are you baking the cake for yourself or a 9-year-old? And I said, doesn't matter, because I love chocolate and I can do anything for it. So finally I baked a chocolate overload cake. That's what I always wanted to do, and I finally baked it, and I really love the results. And I decorated it with all the chocolates I love, and let's cut it.
Happy birthday to you. I'm sorry guys, I'm very bad at singing.
So let's cut it.
Happy 50-year-old.
I'm not 50. I'm still in my 20s, guys.
My god, see the cake?
It looks amazing, guys.
It's time to feed the birthday girl first. There you go. It's too chocolatey. My god, it is so chocolatey, guys. The best cake. Now she's going to eat it first. Kalas. Weekend calories don't count, I guess.
I'm not going to say anything much, because when I eat chocolate, I'm totally lost in it.
Good morning, guys. We couldn't end the vlog last night because it got pretty late, and we had a small party and there was work the next day. So the thing is, we had to end it there. And I know it was a very short vlog, but please stay tuned, because we have many more recipes, Arlene's granny's recipes, and some more vlogs coming up. So the guys who haven't subscribed to our channel, please do hit the subscribe and the like button, and stay tuned, guys.